right, to set up your ePortfolio, you're going to go to www.weebly.com. Once you're there, you're going to click Sign Up. You'll enter your name, your email address, and your password and click the blue button for Sign Up. I'm going to go ahead and click Login as I already have an account. Alright, once you're logged in, you're going to go over to the left. You're not going to see this name as I have several demo accounts, and you're just going to, once you hit this downward caret, you're going to add site. Alright, the first thing you're going to ask to do is to pick a theme for what your portfolio will look at. You can change this at any time, and we want you to make it how you want it to look, but for now, we're just going to go ahead and click on this, the second one down on the right, the Journey portfolio to start with. It's nice and clean and something good to start with. Again, you can change it at any time. The next thing that's going to come up is it's going to ask you to set your website's domain. We're going to have a sub-site on Weebly. So you're going to click the very first box. It's going to say HTTP and 2 forward slashes, and then you're going to name it your first name and BHS. If that is taken, just add a number to it and click Continue. All right, now I am on my site. To begin with, I want to just explain to you that this is your landing page. This would be like the home side of your portfolio. The top, you can put your name. Just your first name and last initial is fine for now. We really don't want your first and last name just for privacy reasons. Now, looking at the page, I want to explain a couple of things to you. Over on the left are drag and drop items. Any of these items, while you're working on your portfolio, you can grab and drag over onto your page. For instance, if you want to put your avatar, you can grab the image icon and grab it, drag it onto the page, and not layout, we're going to try that again. And I'm not sure why that came up, but you can click here and add an image. If you want to add text next to your image, you just pull it beside it till you get a blue line, like that little blue line right there on the to the left of my text. And now you have 2 columns. You've got a place for your image and text. All right, now I want to talk to you about these words right here. We've got email, Dribble, and LinkedIn. I've already told you that this is your main page. These are all pages behind your main page. So if you go up here to the top menu, you'll see Build, Pages, Theme, Store, and Settings. Build and Pages are really the only items here that you need to worry about. If I click on Pages, I'm going to see Email, Dribble, and LinkedIn here, all of which you don't need. So I'm going to click on LinkedIn, and I'm going to delete that page. Confirm it. I'm going to do the same thing with Dribble, delete it and confirm, and email, delete and confirm. All right, so for your ePortfolio, your landing page is going to be your about page that tells who, basic information about who you are with your avatar, and then we are going to add a standard page. And we're going to add an academic portfolio. Below that it says header type. We're going to go to tall header, the caret down, and we're going to select for now no header. You can add a header, which is this image here later on if you want, but for now we'll just say no header. We're going to make it clean to where you can add elements to your work. All right, and we're going to click save. And then we're going to simply add one more page, and we're going to add a standard page, and we're going to add an elective portfolio. This is to showcase things you may want to add to your portfolio that are extracurricular or not the 4 core content areas. Later on, if you want to rename this to extracurricular or co-curricular, you can, but for now we're just going to add elective portfolio and click Save. And I'm going to go back to that elective portfolio and do the same thing under tile header. I'm going to put no header just to make it nice and clean. Again, you're going to have creative rights on it, really what you want this to look like. We're just setting it very basically for now. I'm going to go back to Build, and I'm going to go back to my home page so that we're there. And the first two elements that I added were there. And just for a quick example, if you would want to add a picture to it, for instance, if I wanted to add the Bel Air logo here, or your avatar or anything else, you would just drag and drop or search for the name of it on your computer, and it's going to add it into that space for you. So that uploads, there it is. And then you can resize if you want to the image that you upload. And then if you add text, you just click and you add your text where you've put that block. All right, that is a quick overview of setting up your ePortfolio.